Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fantastic Friday, I'm going to call it. Yesterday was Throwback Thursday. So yesterday I prepared ham and leek pasta. A super simple dish. Ham, leeks, pasta, some cream, some basic ingredients that should be in your pantry, if not your cold box. Super simple. It was good. Next time, if I make it again, I'm going to kick it up a notch or two. It was okay. Today, and for tonight, super simple meal. But it's one of the favorites here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, and that is nachos. My nachos. So let's get to it. Got the hardware. It's real simple. Saucepan and a semi-deep dish platter for the nachos themselves. We're going to start with the sauce. Yes, I'm using Velveeta, but using only about half of this Velveeta. And it's a roux-based sauce, so there's butter, some flour. We sweat the jalapeno. The empty vessel is for milk, which I will buy from the corner store a little bit later on this morning, because we're not buying milk in half gallons right now. I got some paprika from the local spicery in Marysville, California. And I have some hot sauce from the Butte Sauce Company from my buddy Anthony. I'm going to be using a little bit of Thai chili powder, which came from the Super X market in Linda, California. Yeah, I'm mixing it up. It's good fun. So, of course, we have chips. Robin made some, this is a spiced, seasoned ground beef that Robin made for a potluck at the office with the ladies. So I'm going to be using that. So that's one thing I don't have to do. Of course, I'll heat it up and double check it for salt and pepper and so forth. We'll do some diced red onions, diced Roma tomatoes, some sour cream for Robin, and some sliced pickled jalapenos. You can't have nachos without pickled jalapenos. That's just my opinion. Yeah. Let me show you something else. Yesterday, if you didn't catch my video from yesterday, I went to the Super X market and purchased a bunch of product for my pantry. Some of these things I need for next week in my bachelor menu. So I got some coconut milk, some dark sesame oil, some hoisin sauce. That wine-looking bottle is actually Xiaoying cooking wine. I got some fish sauce and some more oyster sauce and some good old Kikkoman soy sauce, which the bottle says the company is over 300 years old. And I bought a bag of Asian Chinese, these are actually from Thailand, but these are Thai dried chilies. So yeah, yesterday was a busy day. I also put up a video for the cookbook auction that starts Monday morning at 8 a.m. here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I am auctioning off my working copy of my cookbook, and all the proceeds are going to Project Semicolon. The auction will run Monday through Wednesday at 5. So bid high and bid often because the money's going to charity. So on this fantastic Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.